Came across a VDT file in a broadcast or live event production setup? This data format feeds real-time motion graphics in Ventuz. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with Ventuz data files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn VDT files. A VDT file contains data used by Ventuz, a real-time 3D graphics and presentation software. Users typically encounter this file when working on complex interactive presentations, broadcast graphics, or large-scale video wall installations. The file stores project assets, logic, and scene information needed for rendering. The VDT format is a proprietary container, likely binary, optimized for rapid loading and real-time performance. It encapsulates various assets like 3D models, textures, and scripts into a single package. This design ensures that all necessary components are available for the Ventuz runtime engine to render complex scenes without delay. The official utility recommended for the VDT file is Ventuz by Ventuz Technology AG. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your VDT file and click Open With. If Ventuz is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If the VDT file is still giving you trouble, relax. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening in Ventuz Designer. Install Ventuz Designer from ventuz.com and open VDT files within the application's data management tools. The designer displays data structure and binds fields to scene properties, allowing visual configuration of how data drives graphics in your real-time presentation or broadcast project. Next, editing the data. Modify VDT contents directly within Ventuz Designer or through external data sources connected via VDT updates. The application supports live data feeds from databases, REST APIs, and streaming sources, making VDT files a snapshot or template for ongoing dynamic data integration in production. Finally, integrating with live data. Configure Ventuz scenes to read VDT files, automatically refreshing graphics when data updates. Combine with Ventuz Director for scheduled playout in broadcast environments. This workflow drives election graphics, scoreboards, stock tickers, and other live content across professional broadcast facilities worldwide. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.